How to send email with HTML template in Node.js. First, install the NodeMailer module. Then, create the HTML template. Place all variables within a pair of curly brackets. In the script, start by reading the HTML template into a string. Initialize NodeMailer. Define and loop through the list of recipients. Set the mail message for each recipient. Replace the variables in the HTML template. Finally, send the email. First, start with initializing NodeMailer. Define and loop through the list of recipients. Create the mail message. But take note that we are using template literals here, directly inserting variables into the string. Lastly, send the email. For this example, we will need to install the EJS module. Create the HTML template and enclose the variables and EJS output tags. In the script, start by loading EJS and NodeMailer. Define and loop through the list of recipients as usual. Use EJS to render the HTML template. Finally, send the email when the template is rendered. For this last example, we will need to install the Express Handlebars module. Create the HTML template, enclose variables in double curly brackets. In the script, load the path, Handlebars, and NodeMailer modules. Set NodeMailer to use Handlebars. Define and loop through the list of recipients as usual. Lastly, send the email using the HTML template and providing the context. That's all for this short tutorial. Like and subscribe for more.